Let's bring in Cantor Fitzgerald, head of equity derivatives and cross-asset strategy, Eric Johnston. Eric, welcome back.
Sarah,
pretty brutal reaction to some of these results. Does it make you think twice about the bullish call?
So I think there's a change going on in the marketplace. The big cap tech names are still very important to the market. They make up the top 5 names in the S&P 500, account for about 20% of the S&P. So just mathematically, they are very important. But I think what's happened is that in the past, the other 494 stocks were sort of used as a source of funds to buy these 5 or 6 behemoths that were putting up great numbers. You could count on. They were seen as very, almost defensive, where you could count on them beating numbers each time. I think now we could be in a process where the reverse is happening, where you actually use some of these larger cap names as somewhat of a source of funds to buy the other 494 stocks or buy small cap, et cetera. So I think as long as all 5 names are not, disasters, and we'll, which I don't think we're going to see from Amazon and Apple, as long as they're not disasters, yes, the market can rally without mega cap tech, which is a big change from the past couple of years.
Even the cyclical parts of the market, which are working really well today. Industrials, Caterpillar had good earnings. Financials are doing well today. Is that where you'd want to be, as everyone predicts that 2023 is going to see economic pain?
So in the short term, I think so. So part of our thesis has been and is still that the market is going to be repricing the chances of a soft landing. Say the chances are actually higher, because our view is that inflation is currently, real world inflation is falling, not CPI, but real world inflation is falling, and that the Fed is very close to the end. And so I think the market is going to say, okay, the Fed's almost done, inflation is coming down, and you have the unemployment rate that's still 3.5%. Consumers are still very strong. Spending is up 10% year over year. So I'm not saying that I believe that we're going to have a soft landing, but I think the odds of a soft landing are going to have, they have gone up in the last couple of days, and I think they're going to go up over the next month or so.